More news coming in. Yogi Adityanath, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, has slammed the Congress NC tie-up in Jammu and Kashmir. Remember, it's a pre-poll alliance after Home Minister Amit Shah. Yogi Adityanath now tearing into the Congress for the pre-poll alliance that it has staged with the National Conference. Yogi has said that the alliance of the Congress and the NC raises many big questions about national security and also worries those who have true faith and loyalty towards the Indian Constitution. He says, and I quote, that I want to ask the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi whether Congress's support to NC's declaration of a separate flag for Jammu and Kashmir is also there. Does Rahul Gandhi support National Conference's declaration to push Jammu and Kashmir back into the era of unrest and tourism by bringing back Article 370 and Article 35A? Is also something that Yogi Adityanath has asked Rahul Gandhi.
कांग्रेस ने अब्दुल्ला एंड सन्स फैमिली प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के साथ गठबंधन करके फिर से अपने राष्ट्र विरोधी मंसूबों को देश के सामने रख दिया है। श्री राहुल गांधी से पूछना चाहता हूं कि क्या कांग्रेस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के जम्मू कश्मीर में फिर से अलग झंडे की घोषणा का समर्थन करती है?
Abhishek Mishra has more details on this. Abhishek, when we look at the top leaders of the BJP, first we heard from Amit Shah, the Home Minister, then UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The fact that tall leaders of the BJP are having a say on this pre-poll tie-up, how does one make a reading of this this kind of reaction that's come from the BJP?
Well, certainly, and once again, CM Yogi Adityanath has clearly targeted the alliance and talking about its strength in Jammu and Kashmir, also asking that the fact that they're standing in alliance with the Abdullah family, and at the same time also raising the question of whether they are in favor of a separate flag for Kashmir and the kind of environment Kashmir has already witnessed. That is something which again has become a political narrative for the BJP, and Yogi Adityanath being the saffron boy poster of the party has always taken such issues on a national level. So indeed, as run up to the elections in Jammu and Kashmir, it is very evident enough that the alliance of the Congress party with the National Conference is something which the BJP is trying to target, and at the same time is also asking about its validation and the issues which has been very prevalent enough in Jammu and Kashmir. Yes.
Right, Abhishek, things really heating up as far as the elections are concerned. Still more than a month to go for the elections, but really election mode now is what Jammu and Kashmir is already entered, and comments coming in now from Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.